The unique thing about boarding school is it develops the whole child, not only academics, but also through athletics, through leadership opportunities.
I think the thing that makes boarding school communities the most special is that we're bringing in students from so many different places around the world. They're bringing their backgrounds and lived experiences, and our students are really able to share in that, learning more about other perspectives and really embracing this global education that we're trying to foster on campus.
Students are involved in so many different things, but whether it's the arts, whether it's athletics, whether it's extracurricular clubs like the Model UN and debate, so much of that work is wrapped up for faculty in teaching the students how to become impact leaders within their community as well.
There's so much that happens beyond academics. I think you're learning every moment, so many options and flavors, and you get to choose what you're putting on your plate. And you also have great advisors. Make sure you don't have too much food on your plate and that you're really sampling everything that's available to you.
I first went to Eaglebrook School, which is a pre-prep school. It shaped my life a lot. They trained me so well that I also got into Stanford University for both my bachelor's and master's.
I think traveling abroad is really hard. It really needs to train my discipline. I will feel very hard, but at the end, it will be satisfying because you learn a new skill. You learn how to communicate. You learn how to be disciplined, and that could help you in life.
If you're looking for boarding school education in the US, this is absolutely something that you should come and test the waters, ask your questions. If you're curious about it, or if you want to know more, which is great about this fair is that you get one-on-one, so you really get to know the feel and what the school is all about. There's representatives here that have been fantastic in answering questions and giving you the feel of the community that your child could immerse themselves into.
A warm welcome to all the families here in Kuala Lumpur. Welcome to our Sesameed American Boarding School Fair 2025. We have brought together 15 top American boarding schools to be introduced to the community over here. It is our hope that from this year onward, more and more families will be able to come to know the magic power of boarding education.